Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Hemingway Editor shortcuts for readability SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Hemingway Editor shortcuts for readability SEO, begin by opening the Hemingway Editor. Once the editor is open, familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the primary text box where you will input your content. Next, enter a sample piece of writing to analyze. Observe the formatting options available in the toolbar. Now, look for the readability metrics displayed on the right side. Pay attention to the grade level and the readability score. Use the color-coded sentences to identify areas for improvement. Look for the yellow sentences that are hard to read. Challenge yourself to simplify complex structures for better flow. Next, identify adverbs highlighted in blue. Consider reducing adverb usage to strengthen your writing. Now, pay attention to the sentences marked in green. These indicate passive voice, strive for active voice instead. Review any sentences marked in red for errors. These sentences require your immediate attention. As you edit, refer to the readability score for guidance. Aim for a score that meets your SEO goals for readability. Once you are satisfied with the changes, save your work. Export the improved text to your preferred format. Finally, integrate the refined content into your website or document. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.